शिक्षणाविशीचे सगळे प्रश्न फुडल्या 6 म्हयन्या भितर सुटावे जातले अशें उतर मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान डायोसेसन बोर्ड ऑफ एज्युकेशनाक दिलां. अखिल गोंय कॅथोलिक शिक्षण संस्था दिसाचे कार्यावळींत उलयतना मुख्यमंत्र्यान उतर दिलें. शिक्षण संस्थांच्या कामात ह्या मुखार शिक्षण खातें कसलीच आडमेळी हाडचें ना अशेंय पर्रीकारान स्पश्ट केलां. सुवाळ्यांत शिक्षकांचो भोवमान केलो.
But I ensure that by the end of this academic year, most of the issues will be either solved or on the direction of getting solved. I believe now, these are my promise that there won't be any headache for the educational institutes. There won't be any bottlenecks from the government side. We will resolve almost all issues in next 4 to 6 months. Most of them will be resolved in next 2 months. Few which will be left maybe handled during the vacation time. And this includes not only our diocesan board, it includes other schools also. There are many other schools which also are contributing. They won't have the headache of the department to go by, and they will get more freedom.
Education has also an inherent spiritual dimension, since it is aimed at the wholesome development of the human being, which includes body, mind, and spirit. The Church believes that all educators, and particularly Catholic educators, should give to youth not only intellectual but also abiding spiritual assistance, creating in them an awareness of the divine.
सांगे केपें पत्रकार संघान दवरिल्ले पत्रकार चषक 2020 क्रिकेट सर्तींत गिरीश क्रिकेटर्सान सावड्डे बॉयजांक 51 रनांनी मारले. कुडचडेच्या एसएसजी ग्राउंडार सर्त चलता. पयलीं बॅटिंग करून गिरीश क्रिकेटर्सान 143 रन काडले. सावड्डे बॉयजांक हें आव्हान जड गेलें. तांची टीम 92 रनां भितर गडगडली. दुसरे मॅचींत सावड्डे युनायटेडान सिद्धारूढ जिमखानाक 12 रनांनी मारले. येता ते 23 आनी 24 तारखे मजगतीं फोंड्या राष्ट्रीय फिडे रेटींग रॅपीड बुद्धीबळ सर्त जातली. जीव्हीएम हायर सेकंडरीच्या हॉलांत सर्त जातली. फोंडे तालुको बुद्धीबळ संघटनेन सर्त दवरल्या. सर्तींत वट्ट 55,000ची इनामां दवरल्यांत.
Goa will be having rapid rating tournament. So far, there are a number of tournaments held in Goa, but they were of the standard.
First day there will be around 6 rounds, and the next day we'll see around 3 to 4 rounds. The prize distribution is scheduled at around 4:30, and the time control is 20 minutes plus 5 second increment per move. So 20 minutes plus 5 second increment means after playing one move, when you press the clock, automatically 5 seconds increases. It is called as Fisher mode. So this time control is called as Fisher mode. So that way the tournament will go on. Means one game will be finished within 1 hour. Slightly it may go more than 1 hour, but roughly we have calculated it is up to 1 hour. Category first prize we have kept as 15,000, second prize is 10,000, third prize 5,000, and so on. Till 20 prizes are there in open category. Then there are age category prizes under 15, under 13, under 11, under 9, and under 7.
इतल्यान खबरां चित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.